Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of beautiful and simple worth trying woodcraft projects, pieces, ideas you can use for your home, office, and decor designs. Watch these be useful ideas. If you watch the video until the end, you will see the beautiful ideas and get the inspiration. We post wood made furniture, decor, craft ideas, videos on daily basis. So if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube videos. Never miss the inspirational furniture decorations, crafts, ideas. Press the bell icon for more updates about my YouTube videos and easily identify the notification that upload on my YouTube channel when we upload a new video. Also, don't forget to like share this video, as your like and share the enable us grow our channel, give you a more content in return. There are several wood decoration pieces you can make and use. Wood projects and subscribe wood ideas are easy gateways to woodworking. Some are wood while decorating ideas, while others also serve a useful purposes. Most wooden wall designs ideas are made of solid wood. Wood decoration pieces could be made from scrap wood pieces. Wood wall decoration ideas include wood clocks, wood shelves, and so much more. If you want to some top wood decoration ideas, watch the video to see how the design is so cute. Thank you so much guys to watch my videos and to like my videos, to sharing my videos. Woodworking tools ideas, wooden wall decoration serve as a center of attraction in your house. Follow our channel for the latest fashion wood decorating pieces and wood wall decorating ideas. You will love our daily videos on the top and wood decorating ideas for the yard and yard for your interior ideas. So thank you so much guys to watch my videos and keep watching, stay with me and enjoy the collection home decorating ideas for your home. And these videos have never been used for anything. So thank you, keep watching, enjoy the days and wood the pieces designs and dye painting ideas for your home and design creativity. So keep watching, stay with me, take care and bye bye.